Yo, what's up guys? In this video I decided to create an automated script to find out what's the location of the IP address that you received when you use the Tor browser. First, in this script you'll have 4 sections. The first section is going to open the Tor browser, then it's going to restart the Tor session, enter the website in the URL, and then save the HTML file of the IP address website to the files. The first function is going to open the Tor browser. Then once the Tor browser is open, the website is entered in the URL search bar. Then there's a search function that will locate an image into the page we're trying to visit, find out if the website is completely loaded before executing the next script. Then once the website is completely loaded, we're going to save the HTML to files. Then we are going to restart the Tor session. And we are going to do this process multiple times, as you can see in this script, where the iteration loop is at 50. This is an example of the iteration at high speed. Once it is done, we will have a list of IP address and of latitude and longitude that we will put into a map with this code, with the volume library. And as you can see, all the blue dots are all the location of the IP address that we received from the Tor browser. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion for other content that you want me to do, tell me in the comments below, and see you in the next video. Yes, sir.